this out. I don't know what to do. I'm legit stranded. Can't go anywhere. Got transmission fluid over here. Got oil over here. Got 2 cars that are just squirting stuff everywhere. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Oh shit. I'm not sure what to do. Fuck. 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 Sorry. Fuck. Circumstances don't matter. Everything's okay. Just get some more oil. We'll find out where it's leaking from. Everything will be okay. Have a mechanic coming on the 24th or the 25th. Try and get this other car going. I'll get the Barracuda running. She only needs transmission fluid. This is her transmission fluid leak. Gotta plug in the speedometer to the transmission because it's not hooked up or whatever. Well, we have 2 problems. This Barracuda here, she's leaking transmission fluid all over the place. All over the place. And the 53 Chevy, she was acting weird, and I knew she was sounding weird, so I didn't drive her. She didn't want to go back in the garage last night, and so now I tried to start her this morning, and I let her run for a little bit. It's a long time. I mean, could have been pressing the gas a little bit, but I don't think it had anything wrong. Anyways, there is oil everywhere. It's sticky. I don't know what to do. I'm scared. A little bit scared, but not. Everything's fine. It can be fixed. I'm gonna get the 53 fixed up, or she's gonna be fixed up way better. So, anyways, we gotta figure out what's going on with her. And then I got this Barracuda. I can do this. I can actually get it fixed. Like the name transmission fluid thing hooked up. Actually, I might call and see if the tire place can put it up on their thing for me. Anyways. Okay. Well, we're stranded here. That's what happens when you do classics. But it's okay, because I have a lot of patience for them. So I'm used to this kind of thing, and still is that no matter what, every day is still the best day ever. Best day ever. Woo woo woo. Best day ever. Why? Not a very good week. Someone stole my SUV and totaled it. And these 2 cars are giving me hell. Like, legit. Giving me some really good hell. Like, But we're gonna fix it, aren't we? Okay. All right. Well, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. I might go back over here. Guess I might. Hold on. Let's just do this. Hold on.